Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing another try on haul. As you guys can see in the title of the video, I'm doing one for honestly I don't want to butcher the name and not pronounce it right, so I'm not even gonna say it. But I'm doing a video for, and I know a lot of you guys asked me for this when I posted on my story all the clothes that I got, so I'm really excited to do it. There's some bathing suits, dresses, jumpsuits, so it's a little bit of a mix of everything, and their clothes are so cute and extremely comfortable. And they also sell clothes for guys as well, so if you're a guy watching, which most of my subscribers are, you guys can buy some stuff on there as well. So stay tuned for the video. And yeah, everything is really nice neutral colors. There's a couple of purple items in there, and this brand is so good. Their quality is amazing and everything fits true to size. If you're wondering what size I got and everything, I got a size small in everything, and then I think I got a medium in the pants. So yeah, I'll just be trying everything on. I'm going to be doing a voiceover for this try on haul, so stay tuned. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, that's basically it.
Alright guys, so we have this long black maxi dress. It's tight. It says the logo in red on the top. And the cool thing about this dress is that the top of it is not a tie. It has like this clip and you pull the string in so you can make it tighter or looser, which I really liked because it could fit really any size. So I liked it. And it also comes in blue and red. I just got black because I figured, why not? I don't have too many colored dresses, so I stuck to what I was used to, and I got the black and red, but I really like it. Next we have this purple bathing suit. It's really comfortable. I would just say the bottoms are a tiny bit big, but they were a size medium, so I probably would fit into the regular size small. So if you're around my sizing, definitely size down. And also I have a scar on my leg. I don't know if you guys noticed it last video or not, but I scar really easily because I'm like dark complexion, so whenever I get a cut or something I always scar. So that's what happened there. It kind of looks like a freckle, but yeah, it's a little cut. But the top fits really nice too. It's a size medium, but I kind of have like decently sized big boobs, so it fit pretty well. So yeah, if you're around my size, that'll be good for you guys. Next we have this dress. This is probably my favorite item out of everything I tried on. It's like this silky but thick material. It's so nice, and I just thought the color was beautiful. It's kind of like a grayish white. I don't know how to explain it. It's not gray at all, but it's like a creamy white. I don't know how to explain it. As you can see, I'm behind a white like door, and it's not super white. It has like that green undertone. And I was showing you guys the cuffs of the sleeves. You can put your thumb through it, so I love sleeves like that, and I thought it was really cute. It's such a cool sporty little vibe, you know, with some Air Forces, or even if you want to wear heels to make it fancy, but I feel like with some sneakers it'll look really cute. And it's just a comfortable dress. Here is a bodysuit, kind of the same print as the maxi dress, except this material is like the short dress, so it's very tight and elastic. The dress was more of that cotton ribbed material, and I liked the back of this, how it sits like the crisscross in the back, and then it has in the front, it goes really high on the hips. I think it makes you look longer and accentuates like your body features better, so I thought it was really cute, and it fit really nice and snug, but it wasn't too tight to where you can't breathe. So yeah, I thought it was cute. I got a size small in this as well. Alright, so this is their jumpsuit. It says their logo on the side as well, except it's in like this gray clear material. The only thing I will say about this is that it does run kind of small. It was a little bit tight on me, but it was still really cute. Like I can definitely still keep it and wear it. It's not going to be like that big of a deal, but it is a little bit tight. So probably size up for the jumpsuits if you're around my size, but it's still so cute. Like I really like the material. It's nice and comfortable. Majority of everything on their site is really comfortable. I've ordered from them before, like years ago, and it's just as good. She's such an amazing designer, so yeah, I'm sure anything you get will be amazing from her. Okay, so this is their bikini as well. Again, this is just like the purple one. It was a little bit big on the bottom because I got a medium, but normal size small fits fine. The top was a medium, but the top fit me fine. And the straps were also adjustable, so even if it was a little bit big, you can just adjust it and you can tighten it. But yeah, kind of looks like I'm not wearing anything. But it's a really pretty shade and it's kind of like a silky material, so I thought that was cute. I don't really have any bathing suits that are like that, like sort of material. Alright, sorry, I was dancing. This is another bathing suit. So I didn't show the back of this one just because it was literally a line. But this was probably one of my favorites as well, just because I love the way that it sat on the body. It did not move. Like you guys know, I like to push it up on the sides, and this one fit very, very well. So I definitely like this bathing suit a lot better than the other style, but that's just because it's my preference. I'm used to this. I'm not used to wearing like the thicker sides, so I definitely like this one. Here are their pants. It's like a really fluffy outside, but the inside is really soft and like almost kind of silky, but it doesn't make you sweat. Like, you know how you get some pants that are like that cotton ball material and then the inside you're just like sweating and like, oh my god, it's just like the worst. This is definitely not like that. I really, really like them. They're actually really thin, so you can wear them if you live somewhere hot like me, and you can wear them if you live somewhere cold because they're pants. But I freaking love these. I definitely need to get more colors. I think, you know, with little crop top, a jacket, or even just the crop top or a long sleeve crop top, it's such a cute little cozy fit. I really like those pants.
Alright guys, that is it for this try on haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below which item was your favorite. I would say my favorite had to be the pants or the white dress. I really, really like both of those. Also, the swimwear was a size medium, and I definitely think I could have gone down to a size small. It did run a tiny bit big, but they did have adjustable straps, so that was fine. Everything else fit true to size, really comfortable. Everything is amazing quality, and you're really getting what you pay for, so definitely check it out. They have boys and girls stuff, so give it a look and see what you guys can find. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. I'll link it down below. This is not a sponsored video, again, by the way. This is just something I wanted to do. So hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And comment down below what your favorite item that I tried on was. And I'll be back with more videos. Have a great day and a blessed rest of your day, guys.